Yoda, what is up? Lay, what is up? Corey, Sherry. Keegan in the house. Hamid, Candle. My weekend was great. Yeah, how was everyone's weekend? Looking for that break off 600 off the open. We did pump higher on Friday, for sure. Below 515, I'm looking to short to gap fill. Yeah, I don't know what I'm looking for yet. I'm just going to trade bar to bar. But what a push up on Friday. Massive pump and then never look back. Ooh, it's hot. The Bog, what is up? Trader 007. Thank you, 007. Appreciate that. I think Asia will drive it down. London will recover. It could be the other way around, in my opinion. Yeah, it could be Yoda. Very well could be. Going to take it easy this week, Lay? I am not. I'm gonna hit it hard. No, I don't know. We'll see. Check out Forex Factory. Just curious. Let's see what the news for this week is. Not much news Monday. So another kind of no news Monday. Not too much on Tuesday. Not much news on Wednesday. Got unemployment on Thursday in the morning, and PCE on Friday. So not a whole lot of news. We do have, I believe it's NVIDIA earnings. Is that this week? Yeah, NVIDIA earnings Wednesday after close. So that should be fun. Yeah, no news Mondays. Yeah. A plus A1 setups. Yeah, I know. Play. All I have to do is trade the first inside bar. 4 out of 5 last week. Friday it failed. But yeah, 4 out of 5 last week. First inside bar. How do you guys like the new graphic? Down here. I got rid of the text that was across the top. Yeah, Lay, it's been working out really well lately. I mean, it's kind of on fire lately. So hopefully it keeps rolling. Hopefully it keeps rolling. Obviously it doesn't work every time, but just got a first take profit trader payout with the first inside bar. Let's go, Lay. That is awesome. I love hearing that stuff. That is the greatest when I hear that. Yo, Corey the phone trader in the house. Looking for shorts around 605. Possibly. Up in this resistance area here. Yeah, I don't really know what to expect. I don't know if we had any red folder news or... I mean, not red folder news, but you know what I'm saying? Like news over the weekend or... See if anything's highlighted red in Trader Hub. Not seeing anything. Not seeing anything. Hey, it's Mo Bro. What is up? Thanks for tuning in on a Sunday. Yeah, the daily chart is very bullish. I basically put in an outside bar on the daily. Put in this inside bar, and boy, the shorts really got beat on Friday, and yeah, it just rallied pretty much from the open. It had a small push down at the open on Friday, and then just ripped higher. Yeah, so the open right here pushed up and then started to pull back, and you felt like, man, we were just going to take out lows and keep going, but boy, it just put in a reversal and then just ripped. Put in this right here was a 260 point candle. It's kind of crazy. 260 points. So how'd you guys do on Friday? Sean in the house, what is up? Anyone trade ES versus NQ? I trade some YM, but I don't trade any ES. But I do trade YM. And a touch of gold. JVal. Bog AFX. Because I don't really need that much I don't really analyze the market that much. I trade bar to bar, so I don't need much. Hey, thank you, Trader Matt. Appreciate it. Keegan, you just traded ES? Nice. Yeah, I try to go in the market with no bias. It's kind of my style. I just trade whatever, I bar to bar on the 5-minute type deal, whatever I'm seeing. I do look left a little bit, but not a whole lot. And I try not to overanalyze the market much. I don't, even in the mornings, like I don't like listening to any morning shows or anything like that. I don't want to hear anything. I literally just wake up. I don't even look at the market until the market opens, and then as soon as it fires up, I start watching. Yo! Do I have a view on feeder cattle? I do not. What is up? Jay Hundo, what is up? Let's go. No eval buys, 2.2 thousand payout. Let's go. Great. Let's do it again this week. Andrew Trades, what is up? Thank you so much for the sub. Guys, we are approaching 3,000 subs. It's amazing. Thank you so much. Smash the like button if you guys are just tuning in. Hope you guys did well on Friday. I had a good day. Nice green day. Just check out something real quick. I think the trade day no fee 40, the 40% no activation fee, I believe that's going to end soon. So yeah, so trade day, guys, the 40% off no activation fee ends August 31st. So if you guys are trading with trade day, keep that in mind. Hey, Team Massive. I trade both. During New York, I mostly trade minis. Mostly. What is happening? Dawood in the house. Brian. Thank you, Andrew Trades. Yes, good luck this week. Yeah, if you can trade ES, it's definitely a lot easier on the emotions than NQ can be. Eagle Eyes in the house. Oh, happy birthday, Darwin. His Royal Trades. But yeah, you'll see Team Massive. So sometimes I'll trade micros during the Asia session because the spread is too wide on the NQ. So I'll like hop in on some micros, like scaling in a little bit. But during New York, I trade mostly minis. And then sometimes if like I'm up like on a take profit trader account and I'm already got like a nice payout coming, say like $200 or $300 or whatever, then I'll switch to micros if the market's moving, and I'll try to get a little more daily payout. And that's kind of what I do with the micros. JC Trades in the house. Scalp Ripper, what is up? Yeah, let's give it up for Dawood. Happy birthday. Last Friday. Trade current futures, what is up? Yeah, we'll do a giveaway later in the stream. So we'll get those likes up and we'll do a giveaway around right around 7:50 Eastern time, 7:50 p.m. Zevix, seen a lot of new faces in the chat. What's up? Lobber Dauber in the house. My Croatian is stereotype, I know. Yeah, so yeah, we'll see. We'll see what the market does tonight. I'm gonna sling around these accounts. These I got 2 evals and 2 funded. So we'll play around with these for a little while. Wow, gap up. Big gap up. Good luck, everyone. Chris B, yes, you have a good week too. Infinity Stones in the house. Looks like we're going to try to fill that gap. All right, we're at 585.25s. Gap down on Bitcoin. That's interesting. All right, immediately pulling back here. Got a high of 607.50. Feel the same way. I need to fully switch to ES. Tired of blown accounts. Huge jump on NQ. Yeah, we over leverage big time on NQ usually. Yeah, I got my funding ticks eval going. It's doing pretty well. Not sure if I'm over the consistency or not. Primal Songs, what is up? I'm on day one. Day one on the funding ticks. I made 940 bucks, probably over the consistency, so I gotta make a little more. But it's alright. Jack Boom, you passed funding ticks on Friday, still haven't heard anything from them? I have no idea how it works. This is the very first one that I've gotten to Jack Boom, so I'm not sure exactly how that works. Yeah, I got the $50 account. Yep, JVal. You guys can use code PINE for funding ticks if you guys trade with them, but Taylor says you'll hear from them by the end of the day tomorrow, Jack Boom. I've considered more ES trading too, just because I don't feel comfortable taking massive NQ trades with a, yeah. With a problem, no problem. Yeah, I hear you, Michael. Yeah, for sure. You definitely have more room for error with ES, with a prop too. Seems like, I don't know. Seems easier to not blow up. NQ, you know, you can get caught in a 300-point candle and smoke you. We did on Friday. Some air in here. Wow, giant outside bar here. I'm just gonna be patient and wait, see what we got. Wait for an inside bar or Harami or something. Pretty good range so far for Globex. Almost 40 points, which is not too bad. Continuing to want to push down here. Yeah, wait for the walk signal, that's right. You're testing out ES? Let's go. Good luck. Good 50-point range now. Wonder if it will retrace the whole Friday move. I kind of had this in mind, JVal. We start getting down in this move here. No news Monday either, so. Waiting for 535 to go long. Should be an up week now. Powell cuts rates. You would think, but did the ES did it break all-time highs again on Friday? It did not. ES came very close to breaking all-time highs again. Very close. Ethan in the house. Spy did, ES didn't. Thank you, Keegan. Tony Gold, what is up? Smash the like if you guys are coming in. 163 people already. Let's go. We're gonna do a giveaway later in the stream. I'm gonna give away a Take Profit Trader account, a credit, my weekend was good. Thank you, his Royal Trades. It was good. Kind of screwed off on Saturday, which was fun, and yeah. Didn't really do too much, but today I just did chores. Doing chores, cleaning up the house, doing laundry. Watching Patrick Whelan, seeing how he spent that $12 million. You know, that kind of stuff. Made $100,000 on your personal account? Let's go, Dawood. It's amazing. I don't know, Ethan. Ethan, I asked for free. I appeared on My Funded Futures. I asked for free accounts to give away to you guys, and I couldn't get those, so. I went on to the last second when they called. I filled in for Ash Trades on the My Funded Futures TV. Hey, I appreciate that, J Val. I don't know. I'll take a $12 deal. That'll be fine. I think of Mike Roach. Yeah, no, it's all good. I know, Michael. Yeah, it's crazy. What a crazy deal, huh? I don't know what the deal entails. I don't know anything. You know, obviously, I don't know what the deal really is, but it just seems like he's not going to do anything different than he ain't already doing. It's not like he's going to be exclusive with My Funded Futures. It's just, I don't know. Lots of money to burn, I guess. Yeah, Michael, yeah, for sure. Top X is down. You check mine, see if it's working. Mine's working. My Top X is working. Possible inside bar. Actually, yeah, no. Let's see. Nope. No, it actually broke the lows. Might be on MNQ though. It is on MNQ. I always chart on NQ though. I don't know why, but I just do. It could work on MNQ too. Definitely an inside bar on MNQ, but the NQ looks like it broke the lows to there. The low of 48.25, and the previous candle was 48.50. 1 minute inside bar. Nice, Ethan. That's what's nice about having that indicator on Trade Evade is that the inside bar indicator does the work for me. I don't have to think about it. It's a little bit trickier when I'm watching like Project X because it doesn't have the inside bar indicator. There is an inside bar indicator on Quantower that I was unaware. And yeah, saw Methodical Man using it. All right, pushing up here, 560s. But boy, we really like this range here that we put in after that big pump. But like J-Val says, you know, I wouldn't be surprised that we don't, if we start to fall, to get back into some of this gap on the 5 minute. Francis in the house. Oh, nice lay. Use it on TradingView. Nice. Greatest marketer of our time, Dawood, for sure. Patrick Whalen is the greatest marketer when it comes to the futures game. For sure. Alfred in the house. TJP in the house. What do you think about Apex? Zach, I still like Apex. I do. I think they're not my favorite prop firm. I think they have some work to do. I think you're going to see some changes coming. I still trade with them. For sure, Dawood. Yeah. 100%. Dude's a master marketer. Looking for a gold short, Ethan, huh? Chris B, you think for our Apex 90% off? That's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for a 90% off sale. Yeah, I want to load up on some accounts and do some copy trading. That's what I like Apex for, is the copy trading. But yeah, my favorite prop firms are Take Profit Trader. Put in a Harami candle here. Inside bar on the MNQ. Yeah, that's right, Dawood. Yeah, his previous career was marketing, for sure. He's been around a long time. Probably, what, 9-10 years or something on Apex, on YouTube. Zach, nice. Yeah, man, I've gotten some payouts this year with Apex. My very first payout ever in my prop firm career was with Apex. So as long as you follow the rules. No, it's not, Ethan. It's just, what I like about it is the copy trading. So if you can copy trade lots of accounts, you know, that kind of stuff. But for me, once I load up on the Take Profit Traders and try to get daily payouts with those, and then trade days, and then move on to the next ones like My Funded Futures, Tradeifys, Buellanoxes and Apexes, and Top Steps, you know. But yeah, at this point, I'm waiting for 90% off Apex. Yeah, I'm loading up. I believe I passed one. Let me check my fund futures here. Let's check. I think I'm waiting on one. Yeah, I passed a starter account, old starter account, My Funded Futures on Friday. I still haven't got it yet. So hopefully I get that soon. You're short? Good luck. Eagle Eyes. Your first was Lilu? Nice. Chef Chris in the house. What is up? 8 years? Wow. Yeah, that's a long time. All right, came up, rejected off the VWAP, pulled right back in. 554s. 550 levels holding up so far. I'm actually going to short. See if we can take out the lows. Gotta get down below that 550 though. I gotta stop up 68. Maybe a little higher. 68.75. Yeah, I really got to get below that 550. I'd love to see that. And then possibly could have a flush down to the 530s. Maybe lower. Lots of room to the downside off that pump, but like I said, no news Monday. No significant news over the weekend, really. A lot of longs in this market. A lot of people looking for longs. This could be the bottom of the range. Could pop right back up and head right back up to 600s too. change these settings here. So I took a payout with my funded futures today, actually, over the weekend. I tried to do it on Friday, and it did not. Or yes, actually, I tried to do it yesterday. It did not work. And then I tried it today, and it worked fine. So it was paid out. It's like seconds. 10 seconds. The payment was sent to Rise. So that was today. Oh, it was last night. I tried it on Friday. That's what I tried it on Friday. It did not work. Yesterday on Saturday, I tried it last night. It worked. So here's the Saturday. I requested 7:35 p.m., 7:34 p.m. Within 10 seconds, it was in my Rise account. So 2 payouts with them last week. And hopefully my Bulanox payout will be approved. Or hopefully I get that money Tuesday night. Yeah, J-Val. Pretty good week last week with the payouts. And I really didn't have much resets or evals. I mean, I did buy some, but wasn't too crazy. Wow, we are just chopping, guys. Harami after Harami after Harami. Do I know it counts as a full trading day with take profit? Yeah, Corey. All you have to do is flip. Matter of fact, I can do that for you right now because I have to flip an account. I'll show you what I do. So, oh yeah, I passed a 150K on Take Profit Trader as well, and a 25K last week. So, excuse me. This is what I do to flip. One tick, and then I just do that. And I lost $2 on that, but that's a flip. So that counts as one day. And I'll do the same thing on this. One buy, one sell. Yep. That's it. Just like that. And that one I actually lost no money. But it actually counted as a day, so I'll show you. See, I lost 50 cents, but I made 50 cents, so I actually counted for nothing. So I actually counted for one day. I love it when that happens. That's my favorite. So those weren't quite passed, but they were pretty close. Take Profit Trader, guys, I don't know if they're going to keep that 40% off, no activation fee. I think that it'll go on till the end of the month, if I had to guess. But if Trade Day gets rid of it, I would think that Take Profit Trader is going to get rid of it. So use code PINE for that. All caps. I appreciate that. Okay, I am short. Let's go. Is there anything else moving, futures? I don't know. We can check gold. Gold's really not doing much. YM's not doing much. Yeah, not really moving too much. Trying to hold this bottom, but could I see it back down to the 400s? I could. Yeah, definitely. I don't know what the catalyst is going to bring it down there, but I definitely think that we could push down. On this move right here, no. Not necessarily. I'm kind of looking for, like, you know, the 40s, the 30s, something like that. And then I was going to move my stop and kind of trail. It's kind of my game plan. All right. Kind of swept the lows there. Hold this all night? You're probably not wrong, Nicholas, but dang. Yeah. If I was in the micros right now, I'd probably scale out and then just hold them, but the Asia or Globex and stuff tends to burn me big time. See money, take money usually. But that was a big push down. After we gapped up, we filled the gap in a hurry and then immediately kept pushing down, so it's pretty bearish, but we are right at this support zone. Oh, nice eagle eyes. I went short on the top steps of the combine. I'm out of that already, but I was in 15 contracts on that. 2100 on that one. I try not to show my full degeneracy on screen all the time. Sometimes you guys see it, but not all the time. Love to hold below the 50s. There's that top step account. I went full port, 15 minis. Trying to get this 150K passed, hopefully tomorrow or today. Tomorrow. I'd like to go in on the top step TV with a actual XFA if I schedule it. It's kind of part of the reason why I haven't been scheduling it, because I don't have an account to trade. But I gotta do it. How else am I gonna get on the BDH? Ant-Man, what is up? Yeah, J-Val, yeah. Trading turtle markets is tough, for sure. Some nights I do really well on stream. Some nights I dig myself into a hole and I have to get myself out of a hole come New York. You know, it's just one of those deals. Love to hold below 50s here. $535s. Yeah, I can see us getting down in there for sure. Kind of 50% of that wick on that harami. This 506 level has got me intrigued. 505s, like this push up, this untested wick down here. I don't know if we'll get there. You requested on the 20th, O'Brien? Jeez. On the new dashboard? They just went out the VIP combines, so all the people picked in the VIP. Oh. They just sent out all the VIP combines. Oh, okay. Hey, Neo, what's up? I was working on that, Smash the like button if you guys are just tuning in. 194 people, only 62 likes. We're gonna do a giveaway. You gotta like that. So at least smash the like button for that. We'll do one towards the end of the stream. Around 7:45, 8 p.m. Eastern. Trying to be patient and holding. I think the stop's in a good place. Trying to get a little more out of this. Oh, the old trade of 8. Oh, maybe O'Brien. That might be part of the what's slow. Because I got a payout with Top Step, with Project X, or Top Step X, with a new dashboard a couple weeks ago. And it was pretty fast. But still. Hey, red candles in the house. But yeah, you know, it should be fine. But yeah, it's since the 20th, that's a little bit. It feels like Bulenox. Hey, trading on tilt, what is up? So we will get the exclamation point pine in the chat, guys. We'll do it in about an hour though. Let's go, JD54. 325Ks, awesome. Yeah, guys, don't sleep on those 25K accounts. I like them. I really do. Let's go, Red Candles. 2 funded accounts, ready to rock. Level 2's in the house. So I actually have a take profit trader. Let me double check, actually. I think I have a... I have a 75K account to give away tonight. 75K account. Yeah, futures trader. No, it's yeah, for sure. Anything specific help you become profitable? More just psychologically, just knowing that like the money I see on the screen right now is just monopoly money. It's not real money. Even if it's a funded account, it's still not real money. It's never real money until actually you get a payout and it goes into your bank account. That always helps me. I used to get very anxious when I got a funded account and you know, would be hesitant on pulling the trigger or taking profits too soon, letting my stops or my losers run, things like that. And then once I kind of, you know, just came up with like, you know what, this is like, it's still monopoly money until you get the payout. So no fear. Just push the button. You see the setup? Push the button. So I think that kind of helped me. JD54 double inside on what, 1 minute? 1 minute. When I hear you say the insides, I'm like, what is he? I go, I think you're the 1 minute trader. How many points or ticks you looking for, JD54, off those 1 minute inside bar scalps? Are you looking for like one to one? Are you just looking for a set amount, or? So we're still in the short. I'm looking for a little more. Might get burned, see money, take money, but we'll see. Yeah, trading on tilt. And I think it just comes with reps, you know? It's lots of reps. Back to the VWAP, yeah. Kind of got that feeling too. Yeah, you gotta be present, J-Val, unfortunately. Yeah, that's kind of my rule. I like people to be here. Unfortunately. But we're gonna do more giveaways this week. For sure. We'll do more. I did very well, Ethan. Had a nice day. Nice green day. Passed a take profit trader account. Finished green and everything else. Also passed the starter account. And did I trade? Tradeify, I believe I finished green. I can't remember if I got a Tradeify account and passed it or not. Yeah, no blow ups, nothing crazy. It didn't go on tilt. It was all good. Oh, I did have something wild happen to me on Friday though. Guys, on this core account that I just got the payout on, this one right here. So, well, I took the payout on it yesterday, but on Friday I qualified for the payout. I had needed $100. I did it on stream on Friday, if you guys remember, and so I got the $100. Well, I accidentally had it copy trading, and I fired off a trade during New York, and it immediately went against me. And I went in the drawdown, and I went in the drawdown about $700. And I was like, oh my god, I was like, this account, I was supposed to get that $1,000 payout, and then it ended up coming back to break even, and I got out. but it was stupid. I was like, oh my god. After that, I took a break. I was just so upset. I was like, I can't believe I did that. No, I on Tradeify I ended up just trading. I had a $1,500 day on Tradeify, which, you know, is not good for the consistency, but that's okay. I caught a nice trade and I just let it run a little bit. So I got this account up to 1,933, which is fine. I'll just keep building it up. Hopefully, get to the 7 days, and then that way, if I, you know, take out the max payout, I'll have a nice buffer. It's kind of my goal. So. Yeah, Lamos, yeah. It's 40% consistency, so it's not terrible compared to I believe it's 40% consistency or 35. I always forget. There's too many props to remember. $35, yeah, 35%. So, and it's not a straight to funded one, so 35%, which ain't terrible. I'll just build it up a little more, hopefully. So we pushed right back up to the VWAP here. We were in a pretty nice profit, almost 10 points. I was kind of waiting for the bottom to fall out on that, and hopefully we don't get stopped out, but if we do, we do. Rejecting off the VWAP. One minute bull flag. Uh-oh, JD54. Don't say it. Do I get anything for guest hosting on my funded futures? No, Ethan, I don't get anything. Nada. 6 minis, yes. 2 of them are evals, 2 funded, and I'm in 2 minis on both the evals each. No, Ethan, I asked for some accounts to give away to you guys, and they said, yeah, we'll ask, we'll look into it, and I haven't heard anything. I just know it's good for the channel, and I'm also friends with Terry, and she asked me, so. But yeah, it's good for the channel. Oh yeah, Ethan, they could. Yeah, they could. I don't really ask anything for myself. I literally worded it like this, and like I do a stream every day. I said, could I get a few evals to give away for my subscribers? That's what I asked them, and I haven't heard back yet. So they have in the past, but they got some new back office people, so we'll see. They gotta pay Patrick Whelan, you know. Yeah, Ethan, exactly. Yeah. That's why I do it. So new faces, so I can get new subscribers. So they come to my channel, they subscribe to my channel, they become fans of mine. They use my codes to help support my channel. That's why I do it. It's fun. It's fun to streaming to, you know, 500-600 people. That's why I need to go on Top Step, because, you know, I'm going to be streaming to probably like 2 or 3,000 people, which would be fun. Yeah, if we can reject off the Eagle Eyes, if we can reject off this VWAP, but it doesn't feel like it. I feel like I'm probably going to get stopped. Really, Michael Belt? That is just a crazy thing to lie about, but who knows? Yeah, Fighting Futures. Yeah, they have given me some in the past. I gave away a few. Like last week, you know, I gave away some Tradeify accounts because I asked them for the subs, and or for accounts to give away to the subs. Take Profit Trader, what I do with them is I give away my own credits. The ones that I earn from buying accounts, I give those to you guys. So I'm basically, I look at it as like investing right back into my own business by giving them to you guys. Hey, thank you, Jay Styles. Hey, Jason Richardson, what is up? And then also, once you guys get to when I get to certain bonus levels with Take Profit Trader for affiliate code, for you guys using my affiliate code, then I get accounts too. So, like the 50Ks. And then once I hit the 150K bonus, which I should by the end of this month, then I can give away those too. No, Mystic Rick, I don't. Not yet. Michael Bell. That's crazy. Well, I can say that I'm surprised that My Funded Futures I know for a fact that it kind of like ticked off a lot of people that are in the evolved around the My Funded Futures space. So I'm surprised that My Funded Futures didn't say that's not true, you know, publicly, but yeah, that's crazy. Hey, Investors, what is going on? Tyler in the house, what is up? Tyler's here for the Moose Race. But yeah, who really knows the truth, you know? I mean, they have the money to pay him, for sure. Moose Knuckles, that's right. All right, stopped out. We were in nice profit. We were up about 10 points, but then it literally just kind of reversed on us, and it's not looking back right now. So those some of those are funded accounts, so I'm not going to screw those up too bad. Not when I can make that back in one trade in the morning instead of like trying to get it back tonight. I'm just gonna switch to trade day, I think. Let's see. Boy, nothing is coming up. Why is nothing coming up? Let's see. I feel like all my sign-ins and everything got erased over the weekend. Full port. Fresh accounts, just full port. 9 to 11 Central Time? Yeah, Mystic Rig, yeah. Market open till noon time. Yeah, noon time. Eastern time, yeah. 9:30 to noon. JC Trades, I don't know. You don't really know what to believe. I feel like with the Patrick Whelan thing, I feel like Patrick Whelan could be pulling our leg with it. He might not be. I mean, affiliates make huge money when they become exclusive or like make deals with these props. My Fund of Futures has the money to pay him that, and then I feel like My Fund of Futures might backpedal a little bit because of some of the other bigger affiliates that are affiliated with them not getting that type of money. But so they might be saying no, that's not true, it's not true. And so who really knows? But it's definitely big time news. What's up, Myth? Yeah, especially with him, Coach Fred, right? Wasn't he paid $1 million a month before? I think it's legit. Oh, he mentioned that he sold like $1 million worth of accounts, like for Tradeify, I think, every month. I think he did that. I mean, he certainly makes close to that with affiliates in general. I'm pretty sure he makes between $20,000 to $30,000 a day in affiliates. Just for people using his code. But yeah. You sold him that Twitter handle for $500? I love Chuck Rose for real. That's funny. But yeah, you would think, Coach Fred. So we are down 374 across these two evals and 300 on those two funded. So I'm getting the post payout redness. What is up, Cody? No inside bars yet. We had an inside bar on MNQ, but I don't trade. I don't chart off MNQ usually, so. Yeah, Michael. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, he makes 30 to 50,000 a day. Yeah, yeah, he does. I mean, he showed that he made $20,000 just from Apex in affiliates. Short 571. Good luck, Eagle Eyes. All right, pulling back here, testing that VWAP again. Yeah, and you know, it pays for a few evals. Yeah, I would guess the heck, Coach Fred. I can't even imagine. But the only thing that I don't like, and I get it though from a business perspective, is, but as far as an affiliate with these companies, because you know I'm constantly trying to like pump them up and push them out to you guys and show you how answering questions about how they work and all that stuff. So I feel like I put in some work with these prop firms, and then when these props go in and they give discounts, bigger discounts for other affiliates, and then not, you know, for our small guys, like they'll give them like 25% off when we get 5% off, things like that. Usually they only do it for a day or so, but still, it's just like, really? It's like make the rich richer, you know? Yeah, exactly, methodical. Yeah. Yeah, methodical knows what I'm saying. You know, it's just like they'll give someone 90% off at Apex, but you know we're stuck with 75% off. Things like that. Oh yeah, Dean. Yeah, for sure. Exactly. Jumped in along. Oh, nice, Lamos. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. You were down 1,000 and then... Oh yeah, no, that's how it works, for sure. I'm just saying, like, they're not putting in any more work than what we're doing. You know, I'll sit here and answer questions for 2 hours. I mean, you guys see me do it, you know. But yeah, no, that's how life is. That's how life works. Life is unfair, guys. Life will kick you in the nuts. Yeah, Mr. Crick. I don't think so. Yes, thank you, Coach Fred. Me and Miss codes are way better. It's a way higher pass rate, and you can put fuel. You can put gasoline. I even buy the cheap gas in my 2005 Toyota Corolla. Thanks, Lamos. Appreciate you. Yeah, right, Mr. Cricks. Life will kick you in the balls. It is not. Yo, Joom. Joom here. Alright, bounced off that VWAP. Is this the little range that we're putting in? Maybe? Or are we just going to hang at the VWAP till 8 o'clock? I can't wait for Wednesday night, guys. That's going to be a good stream, I hope. Or a good volatility after NVIDIA news. That's going to be fun. Jonathan, thank you so much. Oh yeah, no, he's grinded for 8 years. I've been on there. I've been on here for 6 months. Ace. You know, 8 years. So we'll see where I'm at in 8 years. I'll be more bald and more gray. I know that. That's a guarantee. Probably a little bit fatter too. A little bigger beer belly. Yeah, Mystic Grip. Yeah. I trade live futures. I have a personal account right now. Been mostly trading options. I've been selling spreads, option spreads. That's what I've been doing mostly on with SPX. Yeah, for sure. His royal trade's blessed every day. I was thinking about that all weekend. Having the freedom to do what we do is awesome. I actually filmed a video, 8-minute video, guys. I filmed an 8-minute video, and I had the camera turned the wrong way over the weekend, so I gotta redo it. When trading the first inside bar, is that the first inside bar from 9:30 open? 5-minute chart. Yep. Yes. So trade current futures, 5-minute chart after the 9:30 open, and yeah, only 5-minute chart. So yeah, it's the very first one. And what I do is I look for 20 points. That's what I've been doing lately. I have some back-tested data that I was doing. I was having a 30-point stop loss and a 60-point static take profit, so it was a 2-to-1. There's also good data on 1-to-1, and but lately I am doing the 20-point take profit on it. And then the stop goes on the opposite side of the candle. Still waiting for an 8-minute video at the Benihana Grill. I know. I will never go back there, the Benihana. I mean, it was just completely overpriced, and it wasn't that great, to be honest. But it was fun and an experience. It was very expensive. I was like, what the heck? But yeah, you're paying for that experience, which I get. Birmingham, yeah. Yeah, for sure. I hear you. I hear your design. Yeah, it's tough. It's tough. I'm trying not to get myself into too much of a hole. Bernard, what is up? Thank you so much for the sub. Guys, we're gonna have to do a pretty nice giveaway for 3,000 subs. I can't believe it. I'm thinking we're gonna be there. Man, I was thinking we'd get there by the end of the month. I think we could do it. It'd be pretty close. All right, looking for a 925 candle, then 930. Is that no? Just the first one during the New York session. So on Friday, we didn't have an inside bar until 11:05 Eastern time, and this was a tricky one. This one actually lost. So it went 4 out of 5 last week. And Friday it lost, so you can see it swept the high, so it actually triggered, came back, and took out the stop. But this was the very first one. If you go back Thursday, the very first inside bar was at 10:25, and let's see. I think this was Wednesday. That's the first inside bar. So you were taking the short there. Oops, wrong button. And that was a good 46 point dump. So you could have got your easy 20 points off that. This is a beautiful trade right here. I like that one. That Harami candle. Yeah, design. I know the feeling, man. Oh, what happened to? Oh, it's just supposedly he put it on Twitter that My Funded Future, he signed some sort of deal with My Funded Futures, that's paying him $1 million a month. Cody. There's a new firm, TX3 Funding Futures, very similar to IMF. I think we wanted. Hey, give it a shot, Trade Current Futures. Let us know. You know, once you get a payout with them and stuff, and let us know how it works out. Not that far his royal trades, but I have looked at like going like 3 ticks, 4 ticks type deal. But our friend Biblical, that's our one of the subscribers, he waits for the full close after. Once the inside bar is formed, and then you get the break, and then that candle right there, if it closes above or below the inside bar, he takes, then he gets in long or short. I think that would avoid a lot of bad trades. It definitely would have kept you out of the Friday trade, but I don't really know if it evens out over time. So like he wouldn't have gone long there, he would have waited. I don't even think he would have got triggered at all, maybe. And then the next inside bar there, it looked like it was a little fakey too. So, I don't know. It's something to back test for sure. Take profit trader, Florida, Mystic Rick, I think. Take profit traders based out of Florida. If I had to guess, yeah, Windermere, Florida. Uh-oh, it is? Design says, yeah. Back to 600s? I don't know. How many accounts can you have with funding ticks? You know, I don't know. 5? Let me look. Sure, someone in the chat knows. Up to 300,000. Oh, okay. So you can have up to 300,000. Oh, that's interesting. I didn't know it was on account size. Thank you, guys. You can have 12, 25Ks or up to 300K. Interesting. Thank you so much. So 650Ks. Okay. So up to 300K of worth of funded accounts. You have an inside bar here. Oh, funded next is like that too. Well, that's cool. So 12, 25Ks. That's interesting. I like that. Didn't know you get busted doing the fake. Yeah, Cody. He admitted it. He admitted that he was too broke to buy accounts, so he was trading demo accounts, like straight paper accounts, back in the day. Yeah, Michael, I haven't really looked into funded next. I think that's the next one I'm gonna look into. I haven't traded with them yet. There were some rumors floating around online with them, and I don't know, I kind of got scared, so I didn't hop on board. But then they seem to be doing okay now. Yeah, Michael, yeah, for sure. Yeah, me too. Yeah, some of our subscribers have come in and saying they're getting payouts and stuff, but been too broke to buy evals. Yeah, Eagle Eyes. Been there. Alright, just kind of consolidating right here. We do have an inside bar. I will take it, I think, on these evals. But boy, it's not going anywhere fast. Exclamation point pine in the chat. Smash that like button. We will do a 75K. I have a 75K credit. Take profit trader I can give away. We'll do the moose race a little bit later. Must be present to win. Hey, Toy, what is happening? What is up? You've been practicing the inside bar strategy. It works. Thank you, Toy. The inside bar. That's right. The inside bar. Who buys 75K? I know. That's why I'm giving it away, Fred. No, I have a 75K credit for some reason. Hey, E-Disco, what is up? Welcome. Feels like I'm gonna get triggered short here in the break of the inside bar. I don't know if it's gonna work. It's right into the VWAP. We have no volume. No, oof. Look at that fill, guys. You guys talk about Project X all the time. Slippage. Look at that. That was horrible. Oh, that was so bad. Yeah, I have 2 mega. Yeah, I bought a 75K. Yeah. For sure. Alright, we'll put the stop right here at the swing high here on this. But yeah, what a break off that inside bar. I got horrible slippage, about 2 points. But these are trade day accounts, guys. Evals. I already kind of screwed up my funded futures accounts a little bit. We'll look for 10 points. Nice, Francis. Yeah, me too. I actually passed well, I think I need like $30 to pass it. 150K take profit trader. And I also passed a 25K. So, kind of crazy. How do you know how to set up P&L on your chart on Tradeovate? I'm not sure what you mean. You go to settings here, you can change the P&L, show estimated P&L. So on the DOM, or you can do it on the chart too. But yeah, go to settings, set up the P&L. I don't know if that's what you meant. Looks like day 3 on trade. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know exactly what day I'm on with trade day, but I think I'm on 3 or 4 or something like that. No, Brandon, I did not drop any fried Oreos. Thankfully. I haven't gotten any fried Oreos lately. I did have a Wendy's Frosty Fusion with strawberry Pop-Tarts in it. It was pretty good. Yeah, the micros are a little better right now. Yeah, for sure. That's probably why I got the slippage. I was kind of joking. But yeah, it was probably the spread. Add a little more. See if we can hold that. Hold the top of that range there. Hey, Sire, what is up? James, what is up? Good morning, Sire. Yeah, these ain't live. These ones aren't live, Brian. These ones are evals, trade day. Appreciate it though, yeah. No, you're not wrong. It's definitely not my cup of tea for sure. Go by below 566. Yeah, that would be nice. Another inside buy here. Bounced off the VWAP though. James, you're long. Good luck, sir. Just gotta remember one thing, design. Markets only go up. All right, right here at 571.25. Let's see if we can break below the VWAP. I get the VWAP down here at 566. My entry's at 567. Put in another inside bar. But yeah, below a nice break of the inside bar at 565s. Could be pretty good. Stephen, what is up? $956. I have noticed. I feel like the same thing. Are you using Tradeovate? 956. Yeah, I've noticed that too. Looking for 647 is your final target. Good luck. Good luck. Where's your stop, Steven? Where are you going to stop yourself out? I mean, not James, not Steven. Or both of you, actually. Both of you are long. No stops? I don't use stops for the show. I'm just joking. It's just for show. Exclamation point pine in the chat, guys. We'll do a giveaway in about 20 minutes or so. To the moon. That's right. No stops, diamond hands, and to the moon. Oh, no problem, man. Yeah, anytime, man. Stops for sissies. Yeah, it's true. Another inside bar. I see a lot of new faces in here. I'm gonna put the Discord link in the chat. If you guys haven't joined the Discord, it's free. All right, the market is just kind of hanging out at the VWAP. I wish it could be more exciting, but right now it's not. Well, I think part of trading, you know, what we all need to remind ourselves most of the time is just gotta be patient, you know. I am short off that inside bar, that first one, but for the most part, good trading is sitting on your hands most of the time. The Discord is based by the way. I don't know what that means. What's that mean, Steven? Based? Bounces off the VWAP again. I'm out of my short. Yeah, it's been definitely holding above the VWAP right now. Is he really Design? Is he back streaming again? Yeah. Yeah, design. There we go. There's a little flush. And then bought right back up. Oh man, come on. Really? Rain gap. Congrats. I did not. Now it's probably gonna go higher. I'm probably gonna get stopped out of that. Come on. Really? Oh man, that was unfortunate. Oh yeah, I'm in MNQ too. Shoot. Nice, thank you, his Royal Trades. I was order filling with my MNQ. I was in 1.5 size. That's what I like about Top Step X or Project X is when you hit the flatten or the whatever the flatten button is, the flatten all, it flattens everything, not just the position. And I forgot when I hit that exit all, I was so. Yeah, that was definitely a trap. 516, or Michael, sorry. I'm out. Exclamation point pine in the chat. Kind of broke out of this little range here at 580s. Down a bit here. 575s for longs for you. Yeah, so we swept the swept that range. Immediately got bought right up at 560s, and then pushed it back above this little range here. Swept the high here. Let's see if we can continue higher. That is the question. So he did put in a little bit of a higher low so far. See if we can continue to squeeze. I was thinking about trying a wick test here. This is a very typical wick test, 76 for a continuation higher. But we'll see. $575 to $800 chat GPT. Is that what it said? Shady 54. Yes, chat GPT. That's funny. Maybe 600 caveman says, yeah, possibly. Exclamation point pine in the chat. We'll give away a 75k take profit trader at 5. When it just reads 55, we will close the entries. That's the 8-ball. I haven't pulled out the magic 8-ball in a while. Will the magic 8-ball go? I mean, will the NQ go to the all-time highs Monday? Let's see. Cannot predict now. Well, you may rely on it. So, if you're long, magic 8-ball says hold it till all-time highs. I mean, it was a very bullish move Friday, so let's see. NLT, thank you for the sub. See, pull out the magic 8-ball and I get subs. $75k, interesting choice. Yeah, I got a credit. I don't know why. I have a 75k credit sitting there. But hey, if one of you guys wins, it's free, so. David Pescott, what is up? James holding it to all them highs. Hey, O'Dane, what is up? Oh, nice, O'Dane. Congratulations. You're the first person I've known to have gone live with Buellanox. Congratulations. Hopefully you can take them for some money. But yeah, kind of wild, right? Looking for a scalp. Back down to the VWAP. This could be a bad idea. All right, came right back down to the VWAP, rejected, bounced off the VWAP once again. So a little scalp there. Yeah, it is Neo, right? So 140 trading days. After that, I can take 100%. No kidding. Yeah, this is awesome, O'Dane. Thank you for being the guinea pig for Buellanox. Yeah, Willie. See, I should be getting the Buellnox payout Tuesday night. I hope it take $1,500. So, yeah, I'm hoping. Do I like Daft Punk? Yeah, I like electronic music and stuff, Ethan. Let's go, Willie C. Yeah, so what is Buellnox right now? I think it's they had 90% off the other day, a little flash sale. Currently 83% off. You guys want to use code PINE, option ones, 50K accounts. Woof. Pushing down now. Might have just trapped some longs. Who knows? Yeah, Chris. Yeah. So yes, take profit trader credits. When you pass them any credit, you have to pay the activation fee. Unfortunately. Honest Take, what is up? Happy FOMC stuff is finally over. Yeah. The only really news, big news we have this week, I mean, there's always possibility for a headline, is Nvidia this week. Nvidia earnings Wednesday night? Yeah, I think it's Wednesday night. That should be fun. So right back to the VWAP, guys. Unless you have another credit, yeah. Yeah, they do have credits for the activation stuff, I think. Yeah, I was looking at it earlier. So no news tomorrow. No real news tomorrow. New home sales. Blake H. coming through with the donation. Let's go. Thank you so much, Blake H. Thank you for the super chat. Appreciate that. Consumer confidence tomorrow? I don't have that tomorrow. I have that Tuesday. Well, might be tomorrow, for depending on where you're at. But yeah, it's just an orange folder for me. The next red folder is the GDP, like you said, non-employment on Thursday. And GDP, Canadian GDP, and core price index PCE on Friday. But the big news is definitely the Nvidia, for sure. Yeah, should be a fun time. Let's give it up for Blake H for the $1.99. I appreciate it so much. All right, I gotta get the moose race set up. Holy cow, losing track of time. Time flies when you're having fun. Exclamation point Pine in the chat, and smash the like button. We currently have 240 people in the Moose race and only 166 likes. I mean, if you're in the Moose race, I'm giving away an account. Gotta smash the like. Let's see. Let's see. No like, no accounts. That's right, Michael. Lee Watt, what is up? All right, I'll give you about 30 seconds. Exclamation point pine in the chat. And I'm closing the entries, so. Jonathan, I do, yeah. I trade off inside bars. A little discretionary too. But like that short I just took was discretionary. That one. Kind of put in this Harami type and I ended up going short. Thinking we'd go back down to the VWAP. But yeah, I'll trade them. They don't always work for sure. All right, I am closing the entries. Let me refresh. Yeah, Michael, it does. Yeah, for sure. Closing the entries. And let's get it set up. 250 something people in it. $259 people. Let's go. Smash the like button. Oh, we're at 193 likes, guys. Let's get it to 200. Come on. I got the Scoofy hat on for entertainment. I don't have the leopard shirt or the hater glasses, and I don't yell at you guys, but or call you guys fat and stupid. But good luck. For 75K take profit trader credit, guys. We will do more giveaways this week for sure. I'm gonna try to hustle some of these prop firms. We got And hopefully we can do a nice giveaway for 3,000 subs. Must be present to win too, guys. Ooh. Oh, I think I know who this is. I think I know who this is. Yes, Trader Higgs. Trader Higgs. Congratulations. He must be here. I know he's here. Yeah, Trader Higgs, let's go. Trader Higgs, you're part of the Discord, right? You're in the Discord. Trader Riggs, yeah. Ooh, honest take. Almost bringing up the last. His Royal Trades, you were close to last too. Just like you called. Fabe was last, dead last. Where did new Moose Knuckles come in? Trader Higgs, what is your what's your handle on the Discord? I'm guessing it's Trader Higgs. Yeah, okay. I'll DM you. Cool. Ooh, market's pumping. The Tokyo Open now. Market's going back up. But congratulations, guys. My moose sucks, yeah. I never win either. I always enter myself in there. I never see myself. Trader Higgs, I DM'd you. All right, Mark's pumping up higher. Do you have 2 credits? Yeah, you get points when you take withdrawals, guys. With Take Profit Trader. I don't know if any of you guys have noticed that, but yeah, you get. I'm not sure exactly how the points work, but I know there's different milestones and things that you get. So, yeah. Funding Ticks has a $50 deal, guys, right now. Max payout is $1,000. I'm actually working on an eval for one of those myself. You guys can use code PINE with that, with Funding Ticks. But yeah, code PINE for all the prop firms. What do you guys think about this, the new graphic on my fancy graphic? I'm hot. I gotta take the moose hat race hat off. I got rid of the other thing there. I've only traded it one day. Olympians, yeah. So I'm kind of testing them out myself. Nita, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. So market's continuing to want to push higher here so far. Honest take, you almost, yeah. But yeah, I've only traded it one day. Olympians, I think I made like 900 bucks on it, something like that. I appreciate you, his royal trades. Going long, Tommy Stark. Good luck. Yeah, market definitely feels like it wants to keep pushing higher. Thank you so much. Who was it? I want to thank you again. Blake H. Thank you so much for the $1.99 super chat. I appreciate that. And like I said, guys, thank you for using my code PINE with all the props to help support the channel. And yeah, I will be back on all week. I'm planning on no days off. We're just gonna hammer it all week, hopefully. And yeah, we'll do it again. I'll see you guys tomorrow night. At a minimum, I'll see you guys tomorrow night at 6 p.m. Eastern time. And we'll do it again. Smash the like button on your way out. And yeah, use code PINE. See ya. Peace.